Alright, back at the workshop with Callum here today. We've got adjustable suspension going in his R32 and some adjustable camber arms. So that's going to get him all set up before he gets cert, and his obviously 20 deck, just a 20E in there at the moment, same as my Skyline. And then once we've done that, his suspension is going in my Skyline, so it's going to be good. Callum's having fun on the jack, jacking himself up. Good times. Bringing back some memories from old times. Alright, we got all of Callum's old suspension out, so this is what's going in my car. All of his other arms and stuff are the same as mine, so there's no point stealing them just yet. There's his new adjustable suspension, BC Golds. He's got True Heart camber arms for the front and rear. So that's all going to go in. We've got all his old stuff out. And then we've got to work out how the hell we're going to adjust this. It's going to be fun. Anything to add, Callum?
No.
No?
I think you've smashed it out, mate.
Smashed it out? Alright. So that'll be that. I'll be back once we've got the arms and shit in.
So Nathan's having a bit of fun trying to get this camber arm in. He's found a bolt that doesn't like him.
I think I'm just putting it in backwards, to be fair. I'm good at this. Putting things in backwards, I mean. This is not happening.
Got the rear arms in. Pretty tight. Rub up the guards. Car's broken. Oh, to the scrapyard then, eh?
Right, so I've put the wrong bolt in. So it actually has a thicker bolt that goes in the back than the front.
Standard.
So that's why I was having so much trouble. In theory, this one should fit now. That's all I wanted to say.
Okay.
Alright, so we're making good progress. We have both the adjustable arms and the juddies in front and rear. Callum's putting a wheel on that side, so I won't show you that side. Yeah, she's looking good. We're going to chuck the wheels on, let it down and see how it sits. How excited are you, Callum? How excited are you, Callum? Yeah?
Been a long time coming.
Been a long time coming. Yep, good to go. Alright, moment Callum has been waiting for a long time. Letting it down off the hoist, we'll see how this sits. Look at how that wheel sits already. It's not on the ground yet. A shitload of camber. We have these camber arms set with the maximum amount of camber at the moment, so. You good? No? Yeah. Look at how much toe in you've got though. Like they're pointing towards the driver. So you're going to rock it like this for a few months, Kel?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So like this.
You'll pass.
Easy. Oh, that's not bad. We actually got a bit lower probably.
Yeah. Yeah, because of the camber, you could just leave it like that, but I would definitely take the camber out of the rear.
Oh, yeah.
It's way too extreme.
Yeah.
And we'll have to raise it up a little bit so it doesn't rub. But then this isn't even the actual.
It only rub on the front at the moment anyway.
Yeah,
What's the other back end like?
it's pretty similar.
Actually look pretty cool. Minus the actual camber.
Yeah. It won't even be sitting at its height yet either because you've got to roll it out. You've got to roll it for a couple of metres. Alright, we're going to make some adjustments here and yeah, I think we won't get time to do a lot tonight, but yeah, coming along alright.
Hey guys, so what we've done, struts are in, camber arms are in, tightened up, brakes are all good, back wheels are on, sitting pretty far out of the guard, but that's going to be sus next week hopefully. Have to get this arm replaced because it's not sitting it enough, so that's fine. Camber arms are in, that one's all good. Same again, camber arms are all nice and tight, struts are in. Same on the front again, camber arms are in, shockies are all tight. All good. All we need to do now is put the wheels back on, lower it down, tighten them up and we're away. So finish this one up, taking it outside, gonna bring Nathan's one in, put it up on the hoist and fit my old suspension into his and see how it sits. Huh? That's up.
Alright, here's the moment of truth. I've got all my old suspension out. Callum's donated me his super low springs on basically brand new shockies in exchange for putting all of his suspension in and setting it up. I'm going to do a bit more than that for him anyway, but I'll show you this quickly. So if you can see that, one shock's longer than the other. I've had an R33 shock and an R32 shock in there. I don't know how long it's been, well since I got the car anyway, so it's been a while. Here's a moment of truth, it's actually going to sit nice. Alright, let it down, Callum. And it's stuck on the hoist. Is it actually stuck on the hoist? Or? Oh no, it's not stuck on the hoist. Okay. It's bonus. Oh, okay. So the front's stuck on the hoist. The rear isn't quite. Obviously it'll settle in to be a tiny bit lower than this as well. Alright, we'll tighten those wheels up first, Callum, and then we'll pull it off. Alright. She's free-ish. Is this one free? Alright. Callum jets the car up. Got the front arm free. We'll see how it sits. Alright.
That's too high if you can do a jack under it.
Sweet. Oh, it's still not like super low, but it's way better than what it was.
Handle all better too.
Yeah, that's the part that I'm looking forward to. Exotic, yeah, it looks. Up on the hand. Pretty much. Alright, I think that's it for today, Callum. We'll have a video another day of jump through drive. We'll see how much better this handles. Yeah. Fingers crossed.